Hello everyone, Andrews here, and in this quick video I'm gonna take you around the software Lazy AI Commissions and show you how you can use it and get the best results out of it. So right after you log in, you're gonna see this dashboard, and right here you're gonna see your account type. Obviously mine says admin right now, and it will show you how many campaigns you have, how many money pages you created, how many leads you got, and some statistics about your account. As you can see, this is a brand new account. We didn't do anything with it. So right on the left right here you're gonna see your navigation bar, which will be your access to all of the feature of Lazy AI Commissions. Okay, so there is two ways to use the software. You can start by creating a campaign, and it will take you through the steps into creating your money page, collecting your leads, and promoting whatever you want to your subscribers. Or you can jump ahead to one of the features. So for example, you don't want to create a campaign, you just want to get a money page done, so you can jump ahead to money page. So let's start by creating a new campaign. So let's jump ahead and create a campaign. For this one I'm gonna name it weight loss test campaign, campaigns, wherever. Click submit, and as you can see, the campaign is created successfully. Now let's create our money page by clicking here, and it will give us all of this template to choose from for our money pages, and we can filter through right here with niche. So I'm gonna select for example, let's do this one just to show you how it works. So as you can see, it opened up inside our editor, and right here we can change anything. So we can change the headline, cleanse your liver, we can lose 10 pounds in a week. Okay, so I can make it look like this. I can change the font, the color, or anything related inside this page. And right here where the customer will enter their email to subscribe, and I'm going to show you how to hook up your system right here in just a minute. So let's say we are happy with this, how this page looks like now. We're going to click next, and now as you can see, it will show us the delivery page, which is the page your customer or your subscriber will see after entering their email. So we can change it to thank you. Okay, and enter any text right here. We can change the color or maybe make it bold or something like that, as you wish. Okay, and as you can see, thank you page, and add your affiliate links. This is what we are doing right now. So let's say we are happy with this. You can manually change this link to your affiliate link or to download something, but you can also do it automatically inside Lazy AI Commission. So you're gonna click next, and as you can see, this is the setting page. So we're gonna name this page, we're gonna say weight loss. The title will be lose weight, which is the title that appears right here in the browser. We can add any JavaScript code right here. So for example, we can add retargeting code or Google Analytics or something like that. You can paste your code right here and it will work just fine. And then this for the squeeze page, which is the first page where the user enters their email, and those are the same setting but for the thank you page, which is the page they see after. Okay, so I'm gonna title it your download is ready, which is again what appear right here in the browser. Again, you can add any JavaScript code, and right here you can add any code from your autoresponder to collect your email leads. Okay, so you can paste it right here, or you can automatically set it up inside the AR setup, which I'm gonna show you in just a few minutes. Okay, so you can enter it right here. And next we have another feature which will allow you to send more traffic, okay, to your offer by skipping the thank you page. So if you check this box right here, as you can see, this appeared. I'm gonna say affiliate link, and right now what will happen is after the user subscribe to your funnel or to your page, they will be redirected immediately to your affiliate link, skipping the thank you page. Okay, this will drive more traffic to your offer, so it's something to play with and test how much or how well it worked for you. Okay, and then we can select our offer right here. So we have a database of offers that we can promote. You enter your ID from ClickBank or any CPA network you want right here, enter your keyword, hit search, and you can find any offer you wanna use, or you can enter your affiliate link directly right here. So for example, if you have an affiliate link ready, if you have a product you want to promote, an e-commerce store, something like that, you can just paste the link right here and then click create money page. So I'm gonna type in something, for example, maybe google.com, hit create, and as you can see right here, it created our funnel. We can click here to view it. As you can see, here is the page, here is where they can subscribe, and we can copy its link to promote it. So we have the link to the squeeze page and link to the thank you page right here. We can delete it, and we can do edit any of the setting right here of the page, for example add JavaScript code or something like that. Now we have our page right here. I'm gonna show you other stuff that you can do. First, you can connect your autoresponder. So Lazy AI Commission have two options. We can save the emails for you, collect the emails for you, and you can export them and add them to any autoresponder you want, or you can automatically integrate with any of those autoresponder right here. So for example, you can select get response, enter your API key, select your list, and your page will be automatically connected to your list in get response. Okay, and now that we have our autoresponder setup and we have our money pages created, it's time to get some traffic. So right here we have two options to generate traffic. First one is social syndication. So basically you come to the setup here and connect your accounts, so Twitter, Instapaper, and so on. So I'm just gonna add test right here, hit test. Okay, click update, and now it's saved, and it's saved to your account only. We do not have any access to any of your account. And after that, okay, anytime you create a new money page, it will be automatically syndicated to all of your account, plus some of the tier 2 links to help your page maybe rank in Google or and get more traction from the search engines. Also, you can post them as many times as you want by going to the automated traffic, enter a title right here, for example how to lose weight, enter some description here, this is how I lost weight, enter your link right here, the money page link we just created. You can enter it here, enter some tags, and you can schedule it or post it right away. If you select yes, it will tell you to select the date, but I'm going to select no, hit add post, and it will syndicate it to all of your accounts. We also have another option, which is traffic on demand, by basically pasting your link right here, click on any of those or all of those social network, and it will automatically share it to them, to all of the popular group, your niche, all of the popular group in your niches, and use the hashtags related to your niche to get you more traffic. Okay, so that's how we generate traffic easily with Lazy AI Commission. And then we have hot offers right here, and inside this page we can again research more offers to find more offers to promote. We have CPA offer and Warrior Plus. You can select any type and find your offer. And after that, we have our campaign. We generated some traffic. We want to select my statistics here to choose to see some of our statistics. So for example, we're going to use this one. Okay, so this campaign, we're going to select, actually it was the next one. Yeah. Okay, we're going to select this funnel, and it will show us how many visitors we got. Obviously we got one because we opened the page right here, and it will show us how many subscribers we have and how is our opt-in rate, like how many people, how's the percentage of people visiting our page are subscribing, and that will give us idea on how to optimize our page better. Okay, and right here, if you selected to have your leads saved by Lazy AI Commission, you will find your leads right here, where you can export them to Excel or download them as a text file, and you can import them to your own autoresponder or do whatever you want to do with them. Those are your leads. And yeah, that's basically Lazy AI Commission. It's packed those features. If you are confused right now, don't worry, just go to the training tab and we will have more in-depth training showing you how it works from A to Z and how to use it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you, and if you have any question, just reach out to the support and we'll be more than happy to help you out.